Okay, so this is Forgotten Desert, Silver Solo as we call it. So, like I've made a video of this before. Oh my gosh, look at that lag. So I made a video of this before. Oh wow, this is bad lag. Just me doing it. So this, but now I'm with buddies. So I'm taking the right side like I normally do, all down and to the right, up the right, down the bottom. Yeah. Oh my gosh, lag. Oh, should have reloaded. So, here we go. A bit unlaggy. Oh, I swear they should give you the options to turn your buddies online, offline, because half the time it's your buddies that are coming on and offline that lag you. Here you go. Click, 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 click. I'm like, oh, what the? Oh, blue path. Oh, see? Lag really puts me off. Oh, it's so horrible. Yeah, they should really give us that option to turn your buddies off. Especially in adventures. Oh my gosh, what have I done? Sorry, this is really bad. Lag. Okay. Anyway, before we want to spike, actually, Mohawks is one person I normally do this with, and Mo usually gets a feeling in some rounds, like, oh no, Mo's got a feeling. Anyway, because usually when the feeling comes, we win. Pretty much junk that round. But the thing is, the round after, we usually win a spike. Usually. It's happened a few times actually. A few times. I'll show you. So before, I did record it, but I had to get rid of it because the microphone played up. Still trying to, oh my gosh. So before we won this Medusa mask, that was the round that Mo had a feeling. And the round after, when it always happens, we got the spike. This is all the other stuff I won today. Actually, I should recycle that. Yeah. So yeah, not bad. So I think we did about, how many rounds before that did we do? I only just came on before. Oh, well, see that? Already done. I didn't even do anything. Ah! Before that we probably did, I think we did one, look at oh yeah, the backpack. Oh no, 4 rounds? I don't remember where these came from. Oh yeah, about 4 rounds and we've got a spike, so sometimes you can come on with it straight away. Same with the green, make a green path. Win lots of betters in green. I'm gonna log, actually. Yeah, make a green path. Win betters, get spikes. Or keep your betters. Either way. I'm so lagged, I'm gonna reload. Hang on a minute. Okay, reloading. Ah! Yeah, like I said, usually for less lag, you go in here, you pick, well, we're in Gila because it was empty, or probably a little bit full because that's where we are. But usually you pick an empty server, less lag, but we're going Gila. I don't need, see, empty. But we're going to the secret basement. Here we go. And ta-da! A little hidey hole. Did you know you can actually light these candles? Okay. Yay! Call them my lucky candles. And don't forget this little shop. Hopefully they add some stuff here. How cool. Do you know what? Oh, they should have a Forgotten Desert shop. So you can like place shards in your den. Like, do you want to see my Forgotten Desert den? I'll show you my Forgotten Desert den. I made it, so I wanted something, but I wanted it like really not laggy. Oh no, where was he? Where was Jack? Here we go. Oh, do you want to see it? This is pretty funny actually. Mohawks is well known for taking people's shards. So we made art. But I was really slack and didn't add our clothing items. I wanted to do it. Oh, it's loading. But yeah, that's my Hulk singing my shard. I'm like, ah, not again. Angry face. Most innocent face. Pretty funny. So yeah, look. Ta-da! Do 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 do. Forgotten Desert music. My Forgotten Desert. Yeah, so I was saying they should have a Forgotten Desert shop so you can buy shards and I can play shards here. Oh, even a prize chest. Actually, is that chest? Oh, not my look. Chest. What about chest? What chest do we? Chest. Well, that's playing close enough, isn't it? Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's the ground chest, right? Okay, I'm gonna place it there. What is that one? Is that the same thing? Oh, a different colour. Oh. What's that one? Yeah. Oh, that's a pirate chest. I didn't even know I had that chest. And what's that one? Does it do anything? Ah. No. Oh yeah. Oh, it does. Oh no, didn't have my chest. Why is it not searching? Oh yeah. Yeah. Cool. Oh, actually, I should show you something. Who's in? Get in here. Wonky Wonkers, then. Mo did that. Oh no. Oh yeah, there it is. Haha, there we go. So Mohawks made this up. The same thing. Taking shards. Angry face. Ah. Oh, I thought I liked it. And this is one. Mad. Make me mad and I'll divert your shard. Oh, look at that. Wonky's masterpiece, which is pretty cool. Also, it's Wonky, me, Mo, and Char. A picture of some buddies. That's actually really cool. I wish I could draw like that. I'd love to do that. I just can't be bothered doing clothing items. Oh, drives me insane. Just the way they've set up the art. Like, you can only undo things once too. It's like, oh my gosh. Oh no, I don't even know where we are. The basement. We're going again. We're going again. We're going again. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going through this summer. Oh, that was actually one of my favourite items to work for in that other adventure that was on. What was that? Snazzy Wizards. Oh, that's really cool. Uh-huh. That's actually awesome. Wow. I love it. I think that is the end of Forgotten Desert. What else could we look at? Oh, do you know what? Actually, in this Den store, they have actually brought back this a bit. When I started, I haven't even played for a year yet. It's nearly my year now, I reckon, in a few weeks. But I thought this was a better. But people actually did treat it like a better. Actually, I want to buy this and see how big it is. What colour? Ooh, black. Ah! Look at the white. Let's go see how big that is. Yeah, so that's disappointing because I kept some of them. They were actually really good for trading. Let's go and see how big it is. I actually made... Oh, someone's in my den. I actually made 2 dens recently. Oh no, I did, because how was that update? The underwater, like this is my underwater. Yeah, how cool is it? Look, I have a garden, and my pet Phantom has a garden. Like, seriously, I love it. And then how awesome is that? Just like underwater. What was I coming under here for? Oh, my sea rug. Right. Oh, that's actually a decent size. Oh my gosh, I can't. It's gone. I can't move stuff, it's too full. Oh, here we go. Oh, I feel the spot. There we go. Come out here. Oh. Oh! Oh, come on! Oh, I had it. That's really cute, actually. I really like that. I like that. Cool. Oh, I feel really crowded in here. What other one did I make? Oh, animate. Animate. Ugh. I made this beach house. Come on. See? So I love the fish. Octopus aren't very cool. But my Zeos and some like little mushroom chairs. How cool. And these things, guys, these are from the secret store. Don't get scammed. And you just like, ice cream. Give me that ice cream. Hey, you didn't give me an ice cream. Oh my god, give me an ice cream. Oh, there's my ice cream. But these windows mega lag. See, Juice Hut. Who doesn't want juice at the beach with ice poles and ice cream and umbrellas? And I'll show you the do you know what I really love doing? Actually, I really love being a penguin because they're just so cute. The way they sit, I love it. And then you just like sit down. There we go. They're so cute. And then they go to sleep. And they're just like, oh, they're just so chill. Anyway, I'm going to show you where. See, it's water park den. So let's go to the water park. It's actually a cool item because in your den, when you click it, it actually lays down. See, it's right here. This board. See? And it's November, so that's even better. Like, who doesn't? I love it when things are November, especially in the rooms. Oh, the octopus bug was in here. Oh. Hey, I want to go down that side. Okay, you go that way. Oh, okay, just do what you want. Whatever. Okay. So yeah, and when you go to your den, I'll show you. You click it. Oh, I laid him down. Oh, and you stand him up. Stand up. Oh, are you serious? You can't stand him back up? Oh, wow. Anyway, they normally stand up. Oh, did you see that? My umbrellas are now grey. They weren't before. See? Crazy AJ glitches. And somebody ate my shark. Oh my god, somebody ate my shark. Somebody ate my board. Shark. Oh well. Obviously. Well. And any new clothing items? Oh, look at this. That's so funny. Oh, thank you. I'm a pirate penguin. I don't know what else, actually. Shop. Doodle-doo. Is it that one? The Outback? A lot of people forget about this shop. Well, this video was meant to be about, Forgotten Desert. Yeah, a lot of people forget about this shop. And, I remember people when they started scamming these, I'm like, I actually fell for it. I'm like, ugh, that was horrible. But these were used to be like worth stuff. I never knew where they come from, and now I know. Like I said, I haven't even played for a year yet, so yeah, this is where these come from. I don't think there's anything in Epic. Oh, we're gonna check out the Shiva, Mount Shiva. Nothing. I'm a nipper. Nothing in here. Didn't this come out for Halloween? It's been there for a long time. I think it did. I could be wrong. Yeah. A long time ago. I can't wait for Halloween. I'm already saving. Keep winning the lanterns in Forgotten Desert. Stocking up, and especially this den space now. It's awesome. And nothing in here. Nothing. Alright. By the way, if you missed it, the brim was the penguin suit, so don't get scammed with that. Oh my god, where is it? Did I not buy it on this? What? Well, okay. Well, it was an underwater penguin sequin suit, so don't get scammed. Oh, because I'm not underwater, right. Okay, just want to show you this brim. I'm nearly out of time. There it is. Don't get scammed, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya!